In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up VPS with Kamatera. They are offering a 30-day free trial, so you can go ahead and free sign up. Go ahead and put in your email and password, click on go. Then you should be getting an email validation to the email that you have provided. You can go ahead and open your mailbox and click the validation link to proceed with sign up. If you do not receive the validation, you can go ahead and resend validation link to email. In your email, to validate your account, click this link. You should get a link and you can go ahead and click on it. Then once you do that, your access code for a one-time free entry to Kamatera Cloud Platform, and you should get a number code. You should go ahead and copy that, and you are inside the Kamatera account. The first thing you need to do is add a billing profile. It will ask you for your account information, your full name, your first name, last name, your address, city, zip code, country, state, and phone number. And once you have all of this filled out, go ahead and click on next. And if you put in information that is not valid, it will cause you to lose your VPS address. Then you need to do the phone verification. You can go ahead and add your phone number and a verification code will be sent to your number. Once you do that, go ahead and click on next. Now, of course, you have to add your credit card information, the cardholder name, card number, expiration, and the CVV. And you can go ahead and click on finish. Now, after you have filled out all of your billing information, you will get your billing profile with the number of servers you can have from 0 to 5. Servers create frequency, 15 servers. Servers create frequency count, 0. Then you have the maximum server price of $100. And of course, if you need more of this, you can also request a quota increase. When you request the quota increase, you will get an account manager and you can discuss your increase with him.